What I'm going to do now is sow some basil, and I'm not going to sow all of this packet because I don't want it all ready at once. What I'm going to do is sow a proportion of it, and then next week I'll sow some more, or maybe in 2 weeks' time. It depends how quickly it germinates. That way you can keep a succession of plants coming through, and you can be using one while another is growing. Then when you've finished with the pot that you're using, take it somewhere out of the way, feed it, water it, and it'll come again for you, so you can keep a rotation of pots going through the summer. It's best kept indoors because it's a bit tender, unless you live in a really warm area, in which case you're fine. In the middle of Italy, it grows beautifully, but we're not that lucky. So what I'm going to do, I've got some nice multi-purpose compost here. I'm going to put some into this pot. Tap it to gently level it. I'm not going to press it down. If you press it down, the little roots can't go in. So I just need it about up to that ring. I will probably need a bit more than that, but we'll see. I'm going to open the packet carefully. Because I'm not going to sow all of it in one go, I need to be able to fold this over. Now I'm going to put some into my hand. I don't want a lot. Do this on a calm day or indoors because you don't want the seed to blow away. And I'm going to very gently sprinkle that seed over the top. Don't go nuts, because otherwise there'll be too much of it and it'll struggle in the pot. Tip the rest back in, and then fold that packet over quite tightly. I haven't got one here, but if you want to, you can just finish it with a paper clip to make sure it stays closed. Put that into an airtight container and it'll be ready for the next time you want to use it. Then a light covering of more compost over the top. I will just get a little bit more. Not lumpy, make sure that it's nice and fine. Sprinkle it between your fingers. We're going to settle it with some water. Make sure you label it so that you know what you've got. And there you go. Put your pot of basil into somewhere warm. We've got a little tray here that we can put it into with a cover over it in case it's cold at night, but it's fine on a kitchen windowsill. If you do that, you want to put the pot into a saucer to make sure you don't have any runoff if you water it. If you've got one, put a little cover over the top just to keep the moisture in and keep it even warmer. It should start to germinate within about 2 weeks, and once it gets up to the kind of height where you can start using it, you should have another pot ready to go. That can be germinating while you're using this one. When you water new seedlings, whatever they're in, whether it's a seed tray or a pot, make sure that you don't drown them or splash them back out. Get a watering can with a really fine rose on it, start watering to one side, and then just sweep it gently across twice. Then let it drain. You don't want to do anything with a heavy rose or anything that'll cause too much splash.